In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your food on the MyFitnessPal app with this easy 2025 guide. We'll walk through the process step by step to make sure you're set up for success in managing your diet and ensuring that you're reaching your health goals. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the MyFitnessPal app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you do so from your app store. Now with the app open, locate the login button and give it a tap to bring up the login screen. Here, enter your email address and password to access your MyFitnessPal account. If you're using a public or shared device, be sure to check that no one is watching over your shoulder as you enter that information. Once you've filled in those fields, click on the login button again to sign into your account. Now that you're logged in and greeted by the home page, it's time to start tracking. Look for the diary icon. This is where you'll be entering your meals and snacks throughout the day. Tap on it and you'll be taken to the page where you can start adding what you've eaten. When you're ready to include a particular meal, tap the plus icon next to the meal name you wish to log. This could be breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Doing so allows you to search the database for the food items you've consumed or scan a barcode for more accuracy. A handy tip: if you frequently eat the same foods, save them as meals for quick and easy logging in the future. Next, let's not forget about hydration. Keeping track of your water intake is just as important as monitoring what you eat. Click on the Add Water option, typically found within your diary. This will open up another section where you can log how much you've drunk throughout the day. You'll see a plus icon here too, allowing you to choose the volume of water you've consumed. Many people carry water bottles with them, so if you know your bottle size, this will make it easier to log. Once you've selected the right amount, remember to click Save to ensure all your additions are recorded. Finally, head over to the dashboard where you'll get a comprehensive view of your nutritional journey. Here you can easily see how many calories you have left for the day, keeping you in check with your dietary goals. Staying mindful of your intake can help you maintain balance and reach your targets over time. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful for tracking your food on MyFitnessPal. It's a fantastic tool that, when used consistently, can greatly enhance your understanding of your nutritional habits. Thank you for joining, and happy tracking.